Hello? Hello, hello. What is going up, guys? Once again, you guys already know it is your boy Bug back with another banger video. And today, in the beautiful state of Utah, we are at Elevated Truck Repair and Lamborghini Exotic Car Repair. The Lamborghini, as mentioned, is getting repaired. Why? Your boy Bug messed up. That's why. So right now, the car, obviously, the rear bumper has been torn off for like 6 months because I've been too lazy and had no time to put it on. So we decided to take the front bumper off as well, so the car just looks a little more uniform and matches. What do you guys think? Do you like the no front and rear bumper look? I think we're gonna rock this for at least a couple months. Just kidding. We are repainting the front bumper today. Well, we as in this guy right here. And he says I'm going to be doing the primer on it. For you guys that know, I do powder coat, which is a dry powder, and then if I mess up, you can blow it off with air. Where paint, it's wet, and if you mess up, you mess up, and I don't know what you do, because I don't do it. But yeah, so you guys are gonna be in for quite the journey today, repainting the front bumper on the Gallardo, and we're gonna be getting the rear bumper on. This is the man behind Elevated. How are we doing today?
I'm doing great.
All right, so do you want to tell the Bug family what you are doing to the Gallardo today? Because I'm pretty sure they're all curious right now on how we're doing this.
First, I took and I polished your hood and your fenders with some ceramic X polish. Went up a little ways. We do that to ensure a color match.
Okay.
You can see we've done 6 different spray outs just to get your color just right. This is the first color that your color code comes up with.
Okay.
You'll stage it from 1 coat, 2 coats, 3 coats. You can see none of them are matching too well.
Close, but none are matching.
Then we go ahead and we tint them. Slowly work them in and get them to where you're getting
that's
super good, nice butt match. Blendable.
You guys, look at that right there. And when I first originally got this car, someone did the LP front bumper swap on the Gallardo, plus add a lot of rock chip, and then again, me hitting a giant like 8-foot pothole slash ditch. I was like, you know what? It's time to just restart and redo the front bumper. What are we doing now?
We're gonna go in there. I've got your bumper all ready for some primer on it. It's been cleaned. We'll tack it off real quick. We'll get you in a spray suit.
How big is that booth?
It is 18 feet wide, 14 feet tall, and 58 feet long.
So do you have like a kitchen in there, a house? Like, is that where you live?
I pretty much live here.
These dudes do not mess around, and there's all their social media stuff right there, so definitely go check them out. And like I said, they do trucks. Here's one they're doing right here, actually. Look at this. They're doing everything frame off, and then they're gonna make this patina by spraying a clear over it to where Mater was a wrap patina. This is a true patina. They do it all here. I'll post up some of like the semis and trucks right around the screen they've done. Crazy work. Definitely go check them out. I just stumbled across these stacks sitting here on the ground. Who thinks we should put these stacks on Mater, you guys? 10,000 likes. What do you think? Should we put these stacks on Mater?
They need to.
All right, 10,000 likes on this video, you guys, and we will put these. What size are these?
These are 7s.
Wow. And how tall?
When they're on the truck, they hit 13.4.
All right, you guys hear that? If you want to see them on Mater, go like this video right freaking now. So here's a cab slash sleeper they're doing for one of their semi trucks, and then there's the hood. Look at this. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but this is a very pretty white with a pearl in it, and then it's two-tone. Oh yeah, you can see the pearl in the blue. Oh, that is gorgeous. There's some more stuff. We got it looks like a Chevelle, a little dusty, but beautiful blue color. And then he was telling me this is a race truck they are working on. They're going to be putting a 12-valve Cummins in it. As you can tell right now, it's kind of like a Tesla truck. There's no engine, but here's a full cage they did on the truck, coming all the way down to the back. Everything ties into the frame, and then they're going to be painting the truck black. Saying this is where the magic happens. So what do we got going on in here?
We have 3 different paint manufacturers. We got Valspar that we use on a lot of our coaches.
Okay.
We got Genesis that we use on our fleet.
Okay.
Just behind you, ATX that we use on regular automobiles.
I don't know if you guys can hear me right now, but we're in the paint booth. We're gonna get suited up. I'm going to paint my Lamborghini front LP bumper. Hopefully this turns out. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. All right, everyone, you just seen me paint the front bumper on the Gallardo, and again, I'm used to powder coating. Two different things. This is my first time actually painting, and I'm sure a lot of you could tell that by watching, but you know, I'm always down and up for learning something new and bettering myself, and I'm also not afraid to show you guys like my mess ups, I shall say. So here we go. I'll give you guys a little walk around of the bumper. Here we have some beautiful, oh yeah, look at that paint run. That is beautiful. That is from your boy Bug. I got a little thick right there. I definitely got super thick right there. And now this is okay because in the morning he's actually going to sand all this down. This was basically to fill in any like rock chip and whatnot. He knows what he's doing, I don't. So he said, hey, I gotta fix all this anyway, so if you want to practice, here you go. Look at that. Looks like cottage cheese. You guys, if you ever want something painted from me, just think different and just check these guys out. Have them do it for you. I promise if they do it, I will not be helping. Here we have, let's see, is this paint run number 306 or 307? I think it might be 307. It's like, I don't know, it's not too bad. We've got some more runs up in there. So from what I learned, it's got too thick and heavy. Obviously, that's what made the paint drip in the run. But how is what I learn if I don't do it? What do you guys think? I want you to rate my painting down below in the comment section. Come on, don't hold back. You cannot hurt my feelings, I promise. On a scale of 1 to 10, how good did I do? 1 being terrible, 10 being professional. I want to hear it. If you stand about 50 feet away from the bumper, it doesn't look too bad. It is now day 2. We are back at Elevated, and he is fixing all of my mistakes by wet sanding the bumper. And then after this is all done, what's the next stage?
We'll seal it, we'll spray it white, and then we'll start going through the color stages.
Ooh, colors is what's going to be really cool to shoot. So Elevated just called me and said, Bug, we got the bumper on your car, come and check it out. And my mind right now is blown. It looks way better than it even did when I purchased the car. And just some of the small things they did to the bumper, it really updated the car and it made it look like it had 5 miles instead of 35,000. I'll show you guys, check this out. Look at this. You guys, look at that match. Now, this color, I cannot imagine being easy to spray at all. So again, huge props to my guy. He freaking killed it on this. Grady, get up in here with this light. You can see all the pearl in there, and the match is literally, look at this, even the camera's picking it up, spot on. And I would have been worried like taking this car anywhere else to be painted, but I've seen the work the Elevated has done in the past, and I was like, I know exactly who's going to paint this car, and I am so stoked. But he went through and repainted the honeycomb for the front grille, and then the black portion of the bumper he painted black again, and it just really adds depth to the car. And I feel like just redoing the bumper and all the honeycomb, it really updated the car and made it look so much more fresh. I'm in love. This looks so good. And not only did he spend a ton of time on loving the front bumper, he is currently messing around with the rear bumper, getting it on for me, because he is sick of seeing all the YouTube comments of people being like, Bug, when are you putting on your rear bumper? Where is the rear bumper? What happened to the rear bumper? You don't have twin turbos, put the rear bumper on. So he is helping me out and putting this on as well. Got all the hardware chilling right here. He's already got the heat shields back in, the heat shield over the exhaust. I'm gonna be sad about that because we are no longer gonna be able to see the pretty exhaust. And then look at all of this. You made a mess. Yeah, you made a freaking mess. This is like some super brittle cookies that sat in the oven at 500 degrees for 45 minutes too long. So look at that. I barely drop it a foot and it breaks. And so the original reason for me taking off the bumper was this. Now this is the new one I ordered from Poland. If you guys are a Gallardo owner and you're running into this problem, I'll put a link for this in the bio as well. So the original skeleton to their bumper over the time got messed up from all the heat, so I ordered the new one and they are installing it right now, and it is fiberglass, so it's much more stronger than the super brittle plastic. So once that's all in, the rear bumper can finally go on the car, and we are going to have a brand new looking Gallardo, ladies and gentlemen. And then I think it might be time to change the wheel color. What color do you think we should go with? Red, purple, pink, orange, yellow? What do you guys think? Comment down below what color we should do the wheels next. Ah, yes, everyone, we just got the car back from Elevated, and all I have to say is, wow, they did quite an amazing job, and it just looks so good seeing it all put back together. Check this out. Woo-wee! It's looking hot. So stoked to finally see the rear bumper on the back of the Gallardo. It's honestly been like 6 months without it. What do you guys think? Do you like the rear bumper on, or do you prefer it off? Honestly, it looks a little weird because I'm so used to seeing it off. It is nice to have a complete car again. I'm still thinking though, do we keep rocking the blue wheels with the yellow, or do we change it up and do a different color? If so, what color would we do? I don't know, that blue's looking pretty fresh. Anyways, huge, ginormous shout out to the boys over at Elevated. They absolutely killed it, and I couldn't be more stoked on how my car turned out. So you guys, if you're ever in the market and you have a motorhome, a semi, a pickup truck, or heck, a supercar and you're needing it repaired, those guys, they can do it all. I'm serious. Anything from semis to supercars. So if you're ever in the need for paint, body, anything fixed, check those guys out. All their links and their website info will be in the description down below, and their Instagram, whatnot. So you guys, go get them. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to be a wrap for today's video. Thank you to all of you that tuned in and watched. If you guys enjoyed today's video, do your boy Bug a favor, go down below and leave a big juicy like. It's greatly appreciated. And then, you know, let me know what you think. Are you guys stoked that we have the Gallardo finally all put back together? And how am I for painting? I would say I'm pretty good. Hit the subscribe button with post notifications on because I have a ton of bangers planned for the future. And yeah, I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace. Wait, just real quick, I almost forgot. I am doing a giant giveaway on my Instagram. It'll be right here on the screen. It is bug_BMX. Go check out the Instagram so you can see how you can win up to $200 worth of stuff. Go check it out now. You're not gonna wanna miss it.